Sanibonani igama lami nguNkosikhona ngokaMthunu. Ngikhona-ke la kwelikaBhanana kuhle sisolwandle. Ngithi anginikhombise nje ubuhle beTheku njengememba yaka-NT-team. Nginikhombise nje nobumnandi ukuthi kumnandi kangakanani ukuba kule business le. So umuntu free sinesikhathi sonke nje inkululeko ingakuthina. So ngithi nje angini-invite kule company umuntu akuyona la esitrader khona. Siyatrader ke la abaningi sebeyazi ngo-NT-team. We are making money every day. Siyatrader ngo-1, siyatrader ngo-5. So ngin-invite nonke ama-South Africans ukuthi sondelani nizodla imali. Angisabi lokho ukuthi mani la nizodla imali nje kumnandi. So indaba ebengifuna ukuthi ngiyishare ilezi zokuthi ikhampani yethu NT-team iyona ekhipha ama-signals le kuyona esirecruitile thina ukuthi ipartnerishe no-RNK. So iyona esikhiphela ama-signals. So bayi-team i-group yama-analysts okuyiyona a-analyzer i-market. So uma sijoyine kubona si-safe. Uma utrader, you're not trading on your own, utrader nge-guidance yabo. So it's guaranteed nje ukuthi mangabe utrader under u-NT-team obambisene no-RNK ukuthi uzokwenza i-profit. Uma ungena nje utrader, you know ukuthi ngiyothatha i-profit. There is no hesitation about that. So indaba bengifuna ukuthi ngiyikhulume ezimnandi ezokuthi le company inokukhipha ama-special athile. Uthola ukuthi izothi ine-promo yokuthi uma ngabe usebenza kakhulu uzo-rewardwa ngokuthile. So recently besinama-promotion whereby uma ngabe uqala ukujoyina uthola $300. Uma ujoyinise umuntu ngo-$300 uya-rewardwa. It's either iketelo noma i-ayino kunyukele njalo njalo. So nami ngikwazile ukuthi ngiyiwinele ngawina ifan ngiphindile futhi ngawina i-air fryer. So leyo promo ke or leyo competition seyivaliwe njengamanje. So abantu ke all over basa busy ba collect ama prize wabo. Ama prize agcwele office eThekwini, office indele engiseduzane nalo mina i-headquarters office. Abantu basazofika bezo-collect ama-prize cause abantu all over khona abantu abakude kakhulu nama-training centers bayafika-ke abantu kancane kancane bezisa inqwaba yempahla ekhona engama-box ngeke ngayiveza futhi previously even kuma-video ami nga-check-a on my TikTok ukuthi ingakanani impahla egcwele laphaya. Alright, isivaliwe leyo promo, lesivaliwe leso special, ivaliwe leyo competition. Now there is a new competition, guys. Yo, you see this one? Ingenza ngihlanye. So from 17 November to 17 December, umuntu osebenza efaka umuntu a minimum of $300 USDT, $300 kuya ngaphezulu. Noma ngabe ubani, you standing a chance ukuthi uwine iPhone kuningi khona nemoto khona lapho. Uyabona kahlanyisa abantu kakhulu ukuthi there is even imoto ongakwazi ukuthi uyiwine. Hey guys, ngizoyiveza imoto nizoyibona nansi la eduze kwami phezulu escreenini ngizoyishare niyibone. So ngizoyishare niyibone la ngaphe kwami. Yo guys, kumnandi la ka-NT-team, kumnandi. We can see ukuthi yabo le company they really mean business and you are going far with this company. So izoshintsha impilo zabantu. So we keep on saying, guys, join us before it's too late, because this company is really changing our lives. We are happy, everyone is happy, obomama ba happy, abancane nabadala. So ukujoyina is from umuntu ona 18 years to 80. More than 80 ngakuzukwazi ukuthi ujoyine. Kodwa mangabe ukuthi u80 ukushayela sewuvele sewungaphathe ebusinessini. So le company baningi abantu engakhona ukuthi ishintshe impilo zabo. So ngenani isango livuliwe, ngenani isikhathi sakhona. Siyabonga kakhulu. Igama lami uNkosikhona Ngwamchunu. Danko.